Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. First of all, a very happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And my dear friends, we also have CPI. So Forex traders, you must be very excited for today's news because CPI plays a very big role in the market. If you remember, then when DXY almost made the high of 114.8090, it was CPI that brought a trend reversal. It was CPI that brought a trend reversal on the chart of Euro USD as well. And we have that CPI. You can see here the previous data is 6.5% and consensus or forecast is 6.2%. If the CPI data is above 6.5%, I think the dollar will start flying. In case the data came around 6.2% or below 6.2%, we may see a drop on the chart of DXY. Drop on chart of DXY means Euro USD will start going up. DXY flying means there will be a sell on the chart of Euro USD. But my dear friends, news trading can be very manipulative. So as a result, please be careful. Traders with low capital, beginners, new traders, try to avoid taking any position, any US dollar position during the news. Observe the market, gain experience, but avoid taking any US dollar position because news trading can be very manipulative. My dear friends, do not predict the market. Do not try to predict the market. You can go with the flow, but do not try to predict the market. Okay, because in my 9 years of experience, I have learned one thing very well, that news trading is one of the hardest form of trading. It seems very easy that if the news is positive, market will go up. If the news is bad, market will go down. If this would have been so easy, then all the people around the world would have double, triple their money on each and every news. But it doesn't happen like that, isn't it? So please be careful. Now let's have a look at the chart of DXY. As expected, DXY failed to cross the resistance of 103.95. It made a high of around 103.85. Okay, and ultimately it crossed, and right now standing at 103.21. This is the current market price. Before CPI, I don't think so. DXY will be going for a breakout or breakdown, because usually we get to see a silent market before the news, and market should stay inside the range only. The range of 104 at the top and 102.50 at the bottom. This is the level before the news. Okay, after news, nobody knows what will happen. Okay, jokes apart, in case market shows extreme volatility after news, then the big resistance on DXY is around 105.50 and the support is around 100.80. This is the support and this is the resistance. Why this support? Because this was the significant low made by the market when market bounced from here. So in case market shows extreme fall also, I think market will get some support around this area. The buyers around this area will not surrender that easily. Especially this is also a kind of a mini trend reversal level. On the other hand, we also have 105.50. This is also a resistance zone. If market shows extreme buying, if DXY starts flying, then this will be the level where it will face some resistance. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So yesterday, after the market opening, when I made the video, Euro USD was standing here. Okay, and I was not sure. To be honest, I was not sure. Even I did not take a position also. I missed the opportunity. Okay, later on when I saw Euro USD going up, okay, I really regretted a little. Okay, but I clearly mentioned also that those who have already taken a buy position, because I have received few messages and emails where people have already taken, okay, they were already on a buy position on Euro USD. Okay, so I clearly mentioned also that if you already have taken a buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit, and market bounce nicely. Okay, so overall the levels on the chart of Euro USD are still the same. Okay, so before news, okay, listen to me carefully. Before news, we have 1.0771. Around this level, market may face some resistance because there is not much volatility in the market right now. And the reason is the moving averages here. The 50 moving average and 200 moving average is present around this area. And as there is not much volatility, we can expect that market will face some resistance around 1.0771, 0772 level. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position. Keep in mind this level is for before the news only. In fact, before news we also have another resistance around 1.0800. These are the two resistances that will work or should work before CPI. After news we do not have any proper resistance. After news, if dollar starts falling and euro USD starts flying also, we do not have any immediate resistance on the chart of euro USD. The resistances are around 1.103. These are the resistances and they are quite far away. Okay, I don't think so market will be heading towards these levels. And so technically I don't see any strong resistance on the chart of euro USD. If I have missed anything, or if you can see, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn. Okay, this may act as resistance this high of 1.0940, but I'm not sure. Okay, and my dear friends, the support still remains the same before news. If market starts falling before news, the support still remains the same, because usually before a big event we get to see silence in the market. We do not get to see much volatility. So definitely we can expect 1.0670 to act as support again. If it provides a support to the market, definitely we can see a bounce. If market bounces, we can go for a buy position, but do not expect much. As I already said, that usually before the news, market prefers to remain silent. It's silence before the storm. And in case market drops, also before the news, then please avoid, because when there is less volatility in the market, it can be a false breakout or false breakdown as well. So try to avoid. After news we have, after news, if euro USD starts falling, then we have two supports. First of all, we have support around 1.0580. Already I have mentioned about these two levels. 1.0580 is a support because it's a support from the weekly chart. Already I have shown you in my previous video. And the second support is around 1.0500, 1.0480. After news, if euro USD shows a big drop, observe the market around support area. Keep in mind, when fundamentals dominate the market, usually technicals fail. But if a technical level is very strong, then that's a different chapter. Okay, today I think that market will get the support around 1.0500, 1.0480. I think market will not be able to break this particular level or last support. Okay, but am I too confident? Am I too sure? No, because after all we are retail traders. But still, I think that these are two support levels that we can consider and that deserves a spot in our chart. If market bounces, then yes, there's a possibility market will get the support, and yes, you can go for a risky buy as well. But I don't think so market will be able to cross 1.0, 1.0500, 1.0480. Okay, so these are the levels. Please be careful after CPI, and please do not try to predict the market. As I always say, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm just a trader like you only. Okay, so be careful. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program. If you like my work, okay, if you really want to take your trading as a serious source of income, okay, then you can consider joining the Pro Trader program. The link is in the description. You can also see the 10 benefits or 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. What are the benefits that you will receive after joining the Pro Trader program? Everything is mentioned on the website. You can see that on the 3 main pillars, I have also mentioned the workshop here as well. I conduct a 3 days workshop every month. Already I have conducted a workshop for this month, but definitely you will get free access to the workshop of the next month. Okay, so if you really like my work, you should check out the link in the description, and I have also shared my story. Okay, so check them out. Bye bye, take care.